Hello dear friends, welcome to our infinity classes. In this video, we are going to solve another important property of definite integral that will be very important for your point of annual exam and midterm exam. It will be asked for 6 marks in the annual exam or in the midterm exam also. So let us see ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಡೆಫಿನೈಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 6 ಅಂಕಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 46 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು annual exam ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ವಿದೌಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ prove that integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This is the property a plus b minus x f a to b f of x dx is equal to a plus b minus x dx, and hence evaluate the property. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ problems related to the what property. These are the 4 problems, important problems that already asked in the examination. Integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 dx divided by 1 plus root tan x. This property and the problem June 14, 15 and July 19. 3 times this property and problem has been already asked. 3 ಸರ್ತಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 dx divided by 1 plus root cot x. ಮೂರನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ integration of 2 to 3 root x divided by root of x plus root 5 minus x dx. exam 2 2025 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆದಂತಹ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2025ರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳಾಗಿವೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 1, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 2, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 3. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಜೊತೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 4 3 to 5 root x plus root 8 minus x dx. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತ 4 ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿವೆ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಾವು. To prove the property, see here, prove that it will be given like that. So we will take the first RHS part. So write the RHS part here first. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಳಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಏನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಟಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. a plus b minus x is equal to t. After taking the substitution a plus b minus x is equal to t, differentiate this one with respect to t. Now ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ a ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ 0, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ b ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ 0. ದೆನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ x with respect to t ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dx by dt. A is constant, derivative of a 0, derivative of b 0, minus sign as it is. Derivative of x with respect to t is what? Dx by dt, and derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. T with respect to t is what? 1. Solve for dx. Now dx is equal to ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ dt minus dt. ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಟಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ. ವೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ, when x is equal to a, ನೀವು x is equal to a ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ t is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If you interchange the lower limit, change the lower limit, x is equal to a, here put x is equal to a in this equation, a plus b minus x, minus a plus a cancel, the value of t is what? b here. When x is equal to a and when x is equal to b, then this implies t is equal to what? a. Now coming to this part here, RHS part. Now integration of here, see the first we are going to change when x is equal to a. When I take x is equal to a, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x is equal to a ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ t ಯ ಬೆಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ t is equal to b. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ b. when x is equal to b, then what is the value of t? a. ಮೊದಲೇ ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಎ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು? ಬಿ ಬಂತು. ಬಿ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಬಂತು. ಇವಾಗ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟಿ. ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಟಿ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ. ನಾವು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಟಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಟಿ. First limit change ಆಯ್ತು, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಟಿ. ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವಾಟ್? ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಟಿ. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಸೈನ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಟು ಎ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಡಿ ಟಿ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಡಿ ಟಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಫಿನೈಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅದಾವ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ದ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ? ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಟು ಎ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಡಿ ಟಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಹಿಯರ್, ಎ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಬಿ. ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, ಲೋವರ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವಾಟ್? lower limit will be what? Upper limit. Then the minus will goes out, minus into minus plus. Yes, after interchanging the limit. Now the first property, change of variable property, integration of a to b f of x dx. Here we are changing, first we applied the what? Change of limit property apply ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Last step we are changing the what? We are applying change of variable property. F of t dt is exactly equal to what? A to b f of x dx. This property we are using here. So that is exactly equal to what? Our LHS. So here hence the proof of the property. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ therefore integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. derivative of a0, derivative of b0, derivative of x is what? X with respect to t, dx by dt. Derivative of t with respect to t ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. dx is equal to, solve for dx. dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Now after differentiating, change the limit there. What is the lower limit here? A. When x is equal to a, then a plus b minus a. Minus a plus a cancel. The value of t will be what? B. When x is equal to b, b minus b cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. t is equal to a. Now coming to this part, now a will become what here? b will become what? a. f of a plus b minus x ಏನಪ್ಪ? t ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus dt. Now take the minus sign outside, integration of b to a f of t dt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now interchange of limit. See here minus sign is there. If we interchange the limit lower to upper or lower to upper, then the sign of the integral will be changed. Already minus ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ. minus into minus plus. Now applying a to b f of t dt. Now we are changing the variable t in terms of what? X. That is t will become what here? X, and dt will become what here? Dx. That is equal to what? LHS. Hence the proof, integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to what? A to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Pause the video and note it down. If you have any doubts and queries, please give me the comments in the comment box. So let us moving to the what? The problems on the problems based on this property. Now we are going to solve. Question number 1. So this problem has been already asked 3 times. That is property and problem June 14, 15 and July 19. 3 times this property and this problem has been asked already in the annual exam. So let us how to solve the problem now by applying the property here. So first of all, I will write the I is equal to given 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 dx divided by square root of 1 plus root tan x. 1 plus root tan x. Now first we need to simplify the one or two more step here, so that after that we have to apply the property. Integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. Now dx divided by 1 plus this root tan x. I am writing this root tan x. This root tan x, instead of this root tan x, I am writing root sin x by cos x. That is root sin x by root cos x. In the next step, that is I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. That is root cos x into 1. Root cos x LCM and cross multiply root cos x plus root sin x. And denominator, take here LCM and cross multiply root sin x, root cos x into 1 root cos x plus root sin x, and denominator LCM is what? Root cos x. It goes to the what? Numerator, that is root cos x dx. Call this as equation 1. Once again here I am writing root tan x, that is root sin by root cos, LCM and cross multiply root cos x into 1 root cos x, and the root cos x goes to the what? Numerator, that is root cos x dx. Now applying the property at this step, here we know that integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Now applying at this step this property, in the place of a, what is here? 5 by 6. In the place of b, 5 by 3. So x, how many times x is here? See the x. 1, 2, 3. 3 times we are using a plus b minus x. We are applying for 3 steps here. X changed to what? A plus b minus x. What is a here? 5 by 6. What is b here? 5 by 3. So now I am going to write here next step. That is I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 root cos x. Once again I am writing here only I will write first next step, that is I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 square root of and whole divided by square root of plus square root of, then dx. I am writing here dx. See here how to write this one here. So I am going to change this one, that is cos x will become what here? Cos a plus b. A means what? 5 by 6. B means what? 5 by 3. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. Then cos 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. I am not getting the enough space to write this one. So let it be. I will write here only. That is I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 root of cos. Now I am changing this x here, a plus b minus x. What is a here? 5 by 6. B means what here? 5 by 3. That is 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. Divided by, again I am changing this one, that root cos x. Root cos x will become what? Root a plus b minus root cos of x changed to what here? A plus b minus x. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x plus root sine. Again I am applying the property for this term also, a plus b minus x. Root sine of a means what here? 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x dx. Now I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 root of this 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3. After simplifying 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3, it will become what? 5 by 2. Cos 5 by 2 minus x divided by root of cos 5 by 2 minus x plus root of sine 5 by 2 minus x dx. See here What is happening here? This 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 will be what? 5 by 2. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 is what? 5 by 2. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 is what? 5 by 2. Now applying the complementary angles of trigonometric function. Cos 90 minus x sin x, sin 90 minus x cos x. That is I is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 root of cos 90 minus x. Cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x. Cos change to sin. Sin change to what? Cos 90 minus x again sin x plus cos x dx. Call this as equation 2. I hope you are getting the things here. This is the equation 2. Now in the next we are going to solve the few more steps so that it will be concluded. See here in the next page, adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. We are adding equation 1 and equation 2 here. What is the equation 1? I is equal to, here left side is what? Here I, and equation 2 is also what? I plus I, 2I. I plus I is what? 2I. Integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 is common, and denominator of the equation 1 and equation 2. See here, denominator of the equation 1 is what here? Denominator of equation 1 root sin x plus root cos x, or root sin x plus root cos x. Denominator of the equation 1 and 2 are same here. If the denominator is same, the rule of fraction is what it is saying is denominator same with now numerator add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. If the denominator is same, we must add the what? Numerator values here. So root cos x plus root sin x. See here, root cos x plus root sin x, denominator of the equation 1 and 2 is what? Same here, root cos x plus root sin x. And what are the numerators of the equation 1? Numerator of equation 1 is what? Cos x, and numerator of equation 2 is what? Sin x. So adding these two here, root cos x plus root sin x dx, and this get cancelled here. Then 2i is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 dx. 1 will remain, 1 into dx is what? Dx. And 2i is equal to integration of dx is what? X between the limit 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 by the fundamental theorem of integral calculus. Second fundamental theorem of integral calculus. After integrating, substitute the limit, upper limit first in the place of x, that is 5 by 3, minus of the what? Lower limit, that is 5 by 6. What is the LCM here? That is 2i is equal to 6 is the LCM. LCM of 3 and 6 is what? 6. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 2 into 5, 2 5, 1 into 5, 5. 2 pi minus 5. 2 pi minus 5. Then 2i is equal to what? 2 pi minus 5 means what? 5 by 6. Then I is equal to 2 6 are 12. Then I is equal to what? 2 6 are 12, that is 5 by 12. Therefore integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3, 1 by 1 plus root tan x dx is equal to what? 5 by 12. 5 by 12. 2 6 are 12. So this is your final answer. In this manner we have to solve the problem, so that you will get the 3 for the proof, 3 marks for the proof of the property, and 3 marks for the problem based on the property. So pause the video and note it down. Moving to the what? Next problem. That is the second problem in the same manner as we did now. That is dx divided by 1 plus root cot x. So first of all I will write the given, that is I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 dx divided by 1 plus root cot x, and I is equal to, again I am going to write in the same manner, that is 5 by 3 dx 1 plus root cot x. Root cot x is what here? Root cos x divided by root sin x. Root cos x divided by root sin x. Then I is equal to integration of 5 by 6, 5 by 3, cross multiply by taking the LCM, root sin x that is root sin x plus root cos x, root sin x plus root cos x, this is dx. After LCM and cross multiply, root sin x cross multiply, and what LCM remains in the denominator, it goes to the what numerator, that is root sin x. Call this as equation 1. Now in this step I am going to apply the property. We know that integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Now applying this property to the step 1. So now I am going to write the next step here after applying the property, that is I is equal to integration of a to b, instead of a 5 by 6 and 5 by 3, that is I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 sin x, x changed to what here, a plus b, a means what here, 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x, root of sin 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x divided by, again here x changed to what, 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x, root of sin 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x plus cos x means root of cos 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x dx. Yes. Now 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3. See here. This step 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3. It will become what? 5 by 2 after simplification. That is I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 root of sin 90 minus x, root of sin 90 minus x plus root of cos 90 minus x dx. Now sin 90 minus x, sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. Sin 90 minus x cos x, cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x. So these are, again the next step is what? That is I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 root of sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x plus cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x. See here, this is a plus b minus x, a plus b minus x, a plus b minus 3 times exchanging what? A plus b, that is 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x, 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x, 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3. That is 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 is what? Pi by 2. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 is what? Pi by 2. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 is what? 5 by 2. Now sin 90 minus x. Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. Cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x. Call this as equation 2. So adding equation 1 and 2 we get, in the next adding equation 1 and 2 we get, adding equation 1 and equation 2 we get. After getting equation 2 we must add the equation 1 and equation 2. What is the equation 1 here? In the left hand side I, and here also what? I plus I, 2I, and integration and limits are same here, that is common. Denominator of the equation root sin x plus root cos x, and here also root cos x plus root sin x means what? It is same. If the denominator is same we must add the what? Numerator to solve numerator. Yes, that is I plus I, 2I in the left hand side. After addition, integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3, then root of denominator is what? Sin x plus root cos x, then add the numerator of the equation 1 is what? Root sin x, and equation 2 numerator is what? Root cos x dx. Now this term get cancelled here, denominator and numerator are same, get cancelled. Then 2I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 dx. Then 2i is equal to integration of dx is what? X between the limit 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. Now first substitute the upper limit after integration, that is 2i is equal to what? 5 by 3, and the lower limit with minus sign, that is 5 by 6. And LCM is what here? 6, that is 2i is equal to 6 is the LCM. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 2 into 5 2 5, that is 2 pi minus 5. 2 5 minus 5 means what? 5 by 6. Then I is equal to 2 6 are 12, that is 5 by 12. Then what is the value of I here? In the equation only, therefore integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3, 1 by 1 plus root cot x dx is equal to what? Pi by 12. So this is the answer for this problem. So in this manner we have to solve the problems. So moving to the what? Next problem now. Pause the video and note it down first. So moving to the what? Next problem, question number 3, and that has been asked in the examination what? Exam 2 2025 year. ಎಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 2. ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊನ್ನೆ 2025ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ 2ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಜೊತೆ ಕೇಳಿದಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 46ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಇದು 3ನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅದೇ, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಬೇಸ್ಲೇ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 2 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಐ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 2 to 3 ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 5 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1. ನೌ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ. ವಿ ನೋ that integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Applying the property for this step, that is I is equal to integration of 2 to 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2. This is a, this is a, and this is what? B. A means what here? 2, and B means what here? 3. A plus B minus x. A plus B minus x means we are going to change here x, x, x. 3 times we are applying the, for 3 steps, 3 terms we are applying the property, that is root of, here x change to a plus b means what? 2 plus 3 minus x, then 2 plus 3 minus x, and plus root 5 minus of 2 plus 3 minus x dx. Now I is equal to integration of 2 to 3. 2 plus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 minus x. Denominator it is also what? 5 minus x plus root of 5 minus 5. 2 plus 3 is what? 5. That is minus 5. Minus into minus plus x dx. So what is happening here in this step? See here, this 5 plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled. Now I is equal to, integration of 2 to 3 root of 5 minus x divided by root of 5 minus x plus root x dx. Call this as equation 2. Equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2, ಆಡ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 and 2, ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು I plus I 2i into 2 to 3. 2 to 3, and denominator of the equation is what? 1 and equation 2. See the denominator of the equation 1 is what here? 2 is root 5 minus x root x plus root 5 minus x. Both are same here. That is root x plus root 5 minus x. And what is the denominator is same here. Again, denominator of equation 1 and equation 2 are what? Same. So we can add the numerator root x plus root 5 minus x. Dx. Now denominator and numerator are same. Get cancel. Yes. Now 2i is equal to integration of 2 to 3 dx. And 2i is equal to dx integration is what? X. 2 to 3. Now 3 minus. Then 2i is equal to 3 minus 2. Upper limit with the minus of the what? Lower limit. Then 2i is equal to 1. Then I is equal to 1 by 2. What is I? I means what? This one. Therefore, last step, integration of 2 to 3 root x plus root x divided by root x plus root 5 minus x dx is equal to 1 by 2. This is the final answer for this question. In this manner, we have to solve the problem. Pause the video and note it down. And the last problem on this property, last problem is same type of the problem is there. See here, again we have to proceed in the same manner. That is I is equal to first. Take I is equal to 3 to 5. That is root x divided by root x plus root 8 minus x dx. Call this as equation 1. Now we know that the property, we know that integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Now applying the property for this step, that is I is equal to 3 to 5 root of, what is a here? 3. B means what here? 5. A andre 3 ಐತಿ, b andre 5. A plus b andre 3 plus 5 minus x. Divided by 3 plus 5 minus x plus this root 8 as it is minus of 3 plus 5 minus x. 3 plus 5 minus x. So applying the property for this step, this one exchange to 3 plus 5 minus x, 3 plus 5 minus x, 3 plus 5 minus x. After applying the property, see here, that is 3 plus 5 is what here? Square root of 8 minus x. 3 plus 5 is what? 8. 3 plus 5 is what? 8. Divided by 8 minus x plus 8 root of 8 minus 3 plus 5 is what? 8. That is minus 8 minus into minus plus x. Plus 8 minus 8 get cancel here. Now write the equation here next. That is I is equal to integration of 3 to 5 root of 8 minus x divided by root of 8 minus x plus root of x dx. Call this as equation 2. Adding 1 and 2 we get. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ equation 2 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ adding equation 1 and 2. After adding equation 1 and equation 2, I plus I plus I is what? 2i integration of 3 to 5. So what is the denominator value here? See the denominator of equation 1. Denominator of equation 1 is what? Root x plus root 8 minus x. Here also what? Root 8 minus x, root x. Both are same. So we are writing denominator as it is root x plus root 8 minus x dx. What is the numerator of equation 1? Root x. And numerator of equation 2 is what? 8 minus x. That is root x plus root 8 minus x. So denominator and numerator are same here. Again it is going to be what? Cancel. Then 2i is equal to 3 to 5 dx. 1 into dx is what? Dx. Then 2i is equal to x. between the limit 3 to 5, then 2i is equal to upper limit 5 minus 3, then 2i is equal to 2, 2 to cancel, that is I is equal to 1. I is equal to what? 1. So I is equal to, what is I here? Equation 1, see the equation C. Therefore, integration of 3 to 5 root x divided by root x plus root 8 minus x dx is equal to 1. So this is the final answer for this question. So in this manner, we have to solve the problem based on the property. If you have any doubt, please give me the comments in the comment box. Those who like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel.